If you're still mixing different concoctions into your body lotions to lighten your skin, come closer. Bianso, you need to stop it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to use 2 body lotions to lighten your skin. After I posted my skincare routine video and how to safely lighten your skin using lightning body lotions, a lot of you were in my DMs and comment section asking me, Judith, why do you use 2 body lotions? Can I use 2 body lotions? Can I mix 2 different lotions together to lighten my skin? And all of that. So I'm here to answer all of that question, and most importantly, I'm here to show you how to use 2 body lotions to lighten your skin. So let's dive right into it. Personally, I'm not a fan of mixing different body lotions together or adding concoctions into my body lotions to lighten the skin. I'm not here to judge anyone that does that, but I would love to tell you this is a bad skincare practice. So for those of you that were asking, can I mix 2 different body lotions together to lighten the skin? Is a no. Like mixing or pro-mixing your body lotions actually spoils the formulations of that lotion or cream, especially when you're mixing 2 different body lotions or creams that contain skincare ingredients that do not go well together. Take for instance, mixing your Amlactin body lotion with your Medis 5.5 body lotion. These 2 combo will not only spoil the effectiveness of these body lotions, is also going to damage your skin. Is going to terribly destroy and damage your skin. And this is because vitamin C does not pair well with your alpha hydroxy acid. And we all know that Amlactin body lotion contains 12% lactic acid, which is a form of alpha hydroxy acid. So when you do not understand the ingredient list of any body lotion, you need to actually avoid mixing. So before you ever think of pouring serums, tube creams, or mixing 2 different body lotions together, you should be able to take a proper look at the ingredient list of each of the products you want to mix together to avoid having a counter reaction and damaging your skin. For me, I will say don't even think about it. I'm honestly going to tell you to actually stay away from pro-mixing or mixing different body lotions or creams together.
Now listen to me, everybody.
Like you should avoid mixing different body lotions, creams, or tube creams into your body lotions, except you're a chemist or maybe you're a skincare formulator. Aside that, please avoid such practices because it's going to terribly ruin your skin and you start asking what's happening. See, what do you even expect when you pour your Fombat A into a Nivea body lotion or Dove body lotion? Like you're expecting to damage your skin because you have no knowledge about any of the stuffs, and it's a bad skincare practice to start with, and you're doing it. When it ends up terribly damaging your skin, then you will go around looking for help when you could have prevented all of these stuffs. Do you know one funny thing about doing all of this is that they might end up working for you for some time. Like you might see your skin glowing in a period of a week, 2 weeks, and in the 3rd week you will just see green veins, dark knuckles, sunburn penetrating all over your skin, and you'll be wondering what's happening to you, when is obviously you're pro-mixing and mixing whatever that is damaging your skin. So please endeavor to stop such practices if you're doing it. So rather than doing all of this, you can actually use 2 different body lotions to lighten your skin, and I'm going to be telling you how you can actually do that. Using 2 body lotions in your skincare routine can actually help you attain or achieve your skincare goals. It's more like skin cycling, but I'm going to get to that in a moment. So if you want to lighten your skin without encountering any adverse effects like dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and the rest, using 2 body lotions can actually work wonders for your skin. You need to balance out the lightening effect with adding moisture into your skin. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to use 2 different body lotions to lighten your skin. So if you want to safely lighten your skin, the first step you need to follow is to choose your body lotions. Now, you need to select 2 different body lotions, and the first body lotion have to be a lightening body lotion with safe skin lightening ingredients. Like I stated in my previous video, if you want to properly lighten your skin, you want to look for natural and safe skin lightening ingredients like your kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, vitamin C, licorice extract, and the rest. Like, these are safe skin lightening ingredients that will naturally lighten your skin without damaging your skin. If you haven't watched that particular video, I would advise you watch that immediately after this one, because it's going to give you more insights or understanding on this particular video. So you should avoid using body lotions with harsh chemicals like steroids, hydroquinone, and mercury. Is going to damage your skin. So I would advise you consider your skin type when picking your lightening body lotion. The next or second body lotion you want to select should be a moisturizer. Like, the second body lotion should no longer be a lightening lotion. The reason is that your first body lotion, which is a lightening body lotion, might actually be drying on your skin, and that is why you need a moisturizer to be able to balance out the lightening effect of your body lotion. So in other words, your lightening body lotion is going to be there to add a certain amount of vibrance to your skin, whereas the moisturizer you're getting will be able to nourish your skin, feed your skin with enough moisture, hydration, to avoid having that dry, flaky, or cracked skin. So that is the essence of using a moisturizing lotion and a lightening lotion in your skincare routine. So if you can be able to lighten your skin while moisturizing and nourishing your skin is definitely going to appear healthy, plump, without any form of dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, or discolorations. Like, this is going to help you attain or achieve that brighter, even complexion. So the next or second step you need to follow is to carry out a patch test. So when you get your lightening body lotion and your moisturizing body lotion, you need to carry out a patch test to be able to determine if that body lotion or cream that you want to use is going to react on your skin or is actually okay for you to use. So for the sake of those who do not know what a patch test is, I'm going to take time to explain this. So if you get your moisturizing or lightening lotion, what you want to do is to determine how this body lotion is going to work on your skin before using it all over your body or going in with full force to start using or applying it all over your skin. So first things first, just take a little amount of your body lotion you got. Once you're done cleansing your skin or bathing, just apply a little amount of that particular lotion or cream to your neck area or maybe a part of your face. Do not apply all over your face or all over your body. Just do this like maybe at night, and then the next day you want to take a look at that particular place you applied that particular body lotion to be able to determine if your skin is reacting to the body lotion or not. That way you will know whether you are supposed to go ahead and use it or not to use it. So always ensure you carry out a patch test before using any lightening lotion or cream on your skin. So now, with all of that out of the way, let's take a look at how to use 2 body lotions to lighten your skin. So for me, I've actually been using this Q7 Carat Extract body lotion with this Nivea Even Glow body lotion, and you guys can actually see how my skin is glowing. So this Q7 Carat Extract actually contains ingredients like water, carrot extract, propylene glycol, stearic acid, glyceryl stearate, cetyl alcohol, rapeseed oil, and the rest. So these are the ingredients in this body lotion, and the main function of this body lotion is actually a body milk treatment, and it does lighten the skin. Like, I've been using this for many years now. So for my second body lotion, which is a moisturizer, I'm using this Nivea Even Glow Body Lotion, and this is formulated with active ingredients like 95% pure vitamin C, pearl extract, turmeric, SPF 15. So this is a moisturizing lotion that also helps to even out your skin tone. So I actually have a review video on this particular Nivea body lotion in case you want to check that out. Now, I'll be showing you how I use these two body lotions to lighten my skin. So first things first, I love to cleanse my skin. So I obviously take my shower using my body wash. So the first step is to ensure that your skin is clean. So the second step would be to exfoliate your skin. Now, let me shock you. Do you know that using a chemical or physical exfoliant in your skincare routine can actually lighten your skin at a quicker rate? That you don't know. Exfoliating your skin is as important as using a body lotion on your skin. A lot of you neglect the dead skin cells that are sitting on the outer layer of your skin, and yet you think a body lotion will lighten your skin or glow your skin. It doesn't work that way. You need to slough off those dead skin cells. So you need to exfoliate your skin. Get a body scrub, scrub your skin while in the shower, and you're definitely going to see your body lotion work a lot better. So the next or third step is to apply your body lotion. Like I said earlier, you do not have to mix your two different body lotions together to be able to lighten your skin, and you also don't need to apply them on top of each other, except maybe you have a dry skin. But for the purpose of this video, you actually need to use your two different body lotions at alternate times of the day. So personally, I'm going to advise you use your moisturizing body lotion during the daytime and use your lightening lotions at night. So if you're someone battling with hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or you want to lighten your skin without damaging your skin, I would advise you use your lightening body lotions at night, and then in the morning you can use your moisturizing body lotions. The reason is that your skin gets to repair itself at night. Like when your body is at rest, that is when your skin switches to its healing or repair mode. That is when your cream work a lot better. Personally, I love to use my Nivea body lotion in the day and use my Q7 carrot extract at night. I most times switch things up. So the next step you need to follow immediately after applying any of these body lotions is to follow them up with a body oil. Like, I'll definitely advise you get a very moisturizing body oil and add in your skincare routine. It's going to help glow your skin and to notice that your skin is going to become softer, even, and glowing. So if you want your skin to be popping, or you want to lighten your skin without having any discolorations, dark knuckles, stretch marks, green veins, you definitely need a body oil in your skincare routine. It will help to even out your skin tone. So the last step you need to observe is to always use a sunscreen. See, sunscreen is highly important if you want to maintain the result that you got and also prevent skin cancer, because lighter skin is more prone to sunburn. Bonus tip I'm also going to give you is to always stay hydrated. See, if you want to have that beautiful, plump, healthy, glowing skin, like you want your skin to feel supple, smooth, and tender, you definitely need to keep your skin hydrated. And you can only do this by drinking enough water, and you're definitely going to see that your skin is glowing from inside out. Like, this is something you need to practice if you want to achieve that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. That is it on how to use two body lotions to lighten your skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.